Mole concept.
Yes, sir.
Then molar mass.
Yes.
Okay. After molar mass, molar volume.
Molar volume. Yes, sir.
Okay. After molar volume, solution.
Yes. After that,
Okay.
molality. Yeah.
Solution. Right. After
Yeah,
solution,
yeah. A few
components.
questions and then solution.
Then molality.
Yes.
And then molarity. First
Yeah.
molarity.
Yes.
Molarity.
Then mass
Then
percentage.
mass percent.
And then molality.
Then you have molality.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Rihab, assalamu alaikum. Good evening.
Walaikum assalam.
Can you please see your notebook and tell me if you have these topic in your notebook? It's okay if you don't have these topic in order, but you should have these topic in your notebook. Otherwise, you will need some extra classes. Also, this is same for Omar also. Okay, Omar?
Yes, sir.
Do you have these topics in your notebook? Please compare and tell me. Okay. Please check those and tell me.
Yes, sir. I have.
You have all? Okay. I guess Abhinav would also have these
Sir.
topics. Yes, Omar.
Sir, what is second one?
Average atomic mass.
Yes, sir. I have everything.
You have everything? I guess
Yes,
Abhinav
sir.
also have these topics, right, Abhinav?
Yes, sir. I have all of them.
Yeah, you haven't missed the class. Okay. Okay, let me see. Okay, we will be joined by Rishan also and Kashif also. There are few students who have to join, okay? How is school going?
Sir, holiday, sir.
Oh, Saudi
Yeah.
National Day.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, is there any wish for that? Happy Saudi National Day, something like that?
No, sir.
No wishes? In India, we have Happy Independence Day.
Yes.
If there is Independence Day. So, but Saudi National Day, you don't wish anything?
I don't. I never wish anyone.
Actually, I've never wished anyone. Okay. You may, your parents may have, your parents may be dealing with some Saudi nationals, no? So they must know about the ritual and tradition there.
Yes.
Mhm. Okay. Your school is offline or online?
Both, sir.
So what are you doing, online or offline?
For now, online because I'm in Dubai.
Okay, you are in Dubai. Okay, fine. Okay, what about Reba, Abhinav, and Rehab? Rehab is in Riyadh. Yes, Rehab.
Yes, sir.
You are with Heba, na? Classmates
Yes.
with Heba? Batchmate or classmate? I don't know.
Yes.
Okay. So you are going to school?
From next week, we will.
Okay, from next week. What about Abhinav?
Sir, me and Umar are in the same class.
You and Omar are in the same class, but are you going to the school?
No, sir. Online only.
Online. Okay, you are in Saudi, na? But
Yes, sir.
are you not in India? Right? Okay. And Reba, what about you?
Online.
Online. Everyone is online. You want to go to school or you don't want to go to school?
50,
All of you guys. Yes, Reba.
50.
50-50. Okay. Okay. I don't know why these guys are not joining as of now.
We can start, sir.
Yeah, actually, we can start actually, but
Then you'll have to repeat the topics.
okay. Yeah, I will have to repeat the topic and see. The initial topics are such that that if somebody misses it, then repeating it is okay. Start from here. So here are a few drawings. Just taking. I mean, this is just the things that we have learned in the last lecture. Okay, Abhinav is not having a good connection, it seems. Abhinav got disconnected. So, I mean, there is not only like one student is not remaining. There is Idam who has to come, there is Nida who has to come, there is Reshan who has to come, there is Kashif who has to come, there is Umar who has to come. Okay, we have a lot of students. By the way, Umar,
Sir,
there is
I'm already here.
one more Umar is there. I knew you
Okay,
would say one more Umar will be here. You're Umar, okay, you're Umar Badavi, right?
yes, sir.
Hmm. Uh, you have a title. What is the surname? The title is
Sir,
Badavi.
Badavi is surname.
And title?
What title? Like father's name?
Father's name?
Sir, Abdullah. Abdullah
Uh,
Abdurrahman.
okay, yeah, okay, Abdullah. The other Umar is also Abdullah, I guess.
No, sir, he is Muhammad Umar.
Muhammad Umar?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Khadija, but I don't know if this is Khadija or thing is that sometimes you guys use your sibling's phone or your siblings use your phone, then the name gets interchanged. So I have to let everyone in and ask them what is their name, then check the list. Wait a second. Okay, Assalamu alaikum Khadija, good evening. Is this Khadija or is this someone else? Okay, somebody joined us by the name Khadija. You are here for class 11th. Okay, Khadija is not speaking. Is that you, Abdullah? Last time Abdullah had different name.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is this? Okay, fine.
No, so my siblings take my laptop to do their classes, so they change the name and don't change it back.
So tell them to change it back. Okay, one thing you should do is now, as soon as you enter the class, now as soon as you connect the audio, Assalamu alaikum sir, this is Abdullah. That would be good for me, I guess. Okay,
So yes, sir.
so Nida has to join, Reshan has to join. Okay, Kashif. Okay, you write both the things. You sometimes write Kashif Abdullah, you sometimes write Abdullah.
Yes, sir. It's actually my surname.
Abdullah is your surname?
No, sir. Kashif.
Kashif is your surname. Okay, fine. So it is Abdullah Kashif. Okay. What should I do? Should we start? What do you guys think? Should we start? There are few more who have to come. Should we start? Okay, did we do the question of HNO3? Can you please look at the notes and tell me? Otherwise, we can do a question, then we can start with some new topics.
Sir, we did.
We did NOS.
63% HNO3?
No.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
I guess.
Hmm?
An aqueous solution contains 63% by weight HNO3. Find the molality of the solution.
Okay, fine. Then let us okay. Let us do it like this. An aqueous solution. Please write with me, okay? An aqueous solution contains 63% HNO3 W by V. Okay. So what will change in W by V? For W by W, it was 63 grams per 100 gram, 63 gram of solute in 100 gram of solution. Now for W by V, the translation will be 63 gram of solute in 100 ml of solution. Okay. Find the molarity of solution. Okay, Abdullah has joined. Which topic? We have just started, Abdullah. Okay, sorry. We have just started Omar. Omar has joined now, no? Yes, Omar, we have just started. Okay, Rishan is coming. I hope Rishan has his mic fixed. Rishan, yeah, I guess Rishan was someone who did. Yeah, molarity. Okay, you are in a new batch, I guess. That is what I was saying. You need some extra classes then. Umar, just wait a second, okay? Let me just do this question and then we'll deal with your situation. Yeah, I will have to take an extra class for you. An aqua selection of 63% W by W. Okay, so 63% HNO3 W by V. The translation, it would mean what? It would mean 63 grams of HNO3 in 100 ml of solution. In 100 ml of solution. Okay. So you have molarity. You are done with molar masses and all, na? Umar?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, Muhammad Umar. Yes, Muhammad Umar.
Sir, could you repeat what you said?
Okay. You have completed molar mass, molar volume, correct?
Yes. Yes, I have completed molar volume and molar mass.
Okay. So you have to do molality and mass percentage, these terms. Be in this class. Okay. Be in this class.
Okay.
Yeah, be in this class. There will be a few students, I guess, who would need that molar mass. Okay, she has not done molar mass and molar volume. You have done molar mass and molar volume. Okay.
Lots of confusion.
Yeah, the batches are starting now. So, and sometimes you guys have, I mean, timings also now. You want your timings to be very precise. Sir, इसी time चाहिए. So that is why we have to fix the batches in such a way. The only thing is that starting month in the starting few weeks, I have to take a few bit of extra classes to get everything in equilibrium. But after that, it will be smooth. And you have come here. You have come in September. That is still fine. You know what? There are some students who will come in December. And in 3 months, not even 3 months, in 2 months, they would be like, sir, पूरा syllabus पढ़ा दीजिए. उन लोगों को लगता है 10th standard है. Is it possible to teach this whole complete syllabus in 2 months? They will come in December. There will be students, I will let you know. You will be there now. I will let you know. There will be students who will come in December. They will be like, sir, crash course type कुछ करा दीजिए, sir. You guys can do this question, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Okay, for Muhammad Umar, what you have to do, can you calculate the number of moles for this one, 63 gram of HNO3? You have to calculate first of all the molar mass of HNO3, right? And from there you can calculate the number of moles. Yes, Muhammad Umar?
Yes, okay, I will calculate.
Yeah. You calculate the molar mass for this. Oh, sorry, number of moles for this. And send me in the chat, okay, number of moles. Also, Muhammad Umar, please leave at least 3 pages, not 3 sheets, 3 pages. Okay, I have got. Yes, correct. Yes, Umar. I mean Muhammad Umar. Can I say, can I call you Muhammad? Muhammad Umar, can I call you Muhammad?
Sure, sir, sure.
Sure, okay, fine. So Muhammad is here, and then Umar will be Umar Badawi. Yes, Muhammad, the answer is right for the number of moles of HNO3. Okay. Now, okay, Muhammad, you see here, what is molarity? Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. Okay, so you have this numerator term, right, Muhammad?
Yes.
Number of moles of solute, right? Now you also have the volume, but in milliliters, correct?
Yes.
Now you can convert it to liters. Yes, Muhammad. Then divide those
Yes,
two
I can.
terms. Then divide those two terms, and you will get the molarity. Easy, right? Okay, so first of all, convert this to liters, then divide the number of moles, whatever you have got, by the volume in liters. Okay, others, if you have got the answer for molarity, please send in chat.
Solute is the compound, right? HNO3.
Yeah, solute is the compound. Yeah, this is solution, volume of solution. Okay, what happened? Umar, Abhinav, Rehab, Reba. Okay, Rishan is also here. Good evening, Rishan. Yes, Abhinav, correct. Answer is correct. Rishan, am I audible? Okay, so your mic is not fixed. Yes, Reba, correct answer. Very good. Arre. Rishan's mic is not fixed. Okay. Yes, what about Abdullah? Are you stuck, Abdullah? So why you're taking so much time? Yes. Yes. It is molarity. It is not molality. It is molarity, na? Oh, yeah. Rishan. Rishan, do you know how to calculate the number of moles? Okay. You have the grams of HNO3. Can you calculate the number of moles? You have to calculate the molar mass of HNO3, then you have to calculate the number of moles. Okay. You can calculate my number of moles, right? Given mass by molar mass. The given mass is given, molar mass, you have to calculate for HNO3. Okay. So you will get the number of moles of solute. Then you have 100 ml of solution. From 100 ml, you have to convert this to liters. So you will get the volume of solution in liters. You have to divide these two terms.
Sir, what is W by V?
This is mass by volume. So this is just a concentration term. It is how we denote it. So this is mass. See here, mass in volume, na? So it is denoted like this, W by V. Okay, what happened? Reba, Rehab, you guys have stopped speaking also now. You didn't get the answer?
I've sent the answer, sir.
You have sent the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, who have sent the answer? Wait a second. Okay, fine. Sorry, Reba. Okay, Abhinav has sent, Reba has sent, and yeah, Muhammad Umar's answer is also right. How have you found 100 ml? 63% means 63 by 100, no? Yes, Muhammad. Yeah, Muhammad.
Yes, sir.
So 63 by 100. What is 63? It is the, wait, what is the 100? It is the volume. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And also see, grams is for milliliters. Grams and milliliter, they are of similar, I can say, I mean, the amount will be similar if you have grams and milliliter, comparable terms. That is why we have, this is just a convention in chemistry, okay? That we use gram and ml similarly. Now, guys, you see here, this makes me sometimes upset if you don't calculate the number of moles even. See, number of moles. First of all, the HNO3, molar mass of HNO3. I hope you have guys calculated it to be 63 grams per mole,
Yes, sir.
right? Number of moles will be 63 grams given mass divided by 63 grams per mole, which is equal to 1 mole. Okay. So see, we are not considering the after decimal points. We are just taking the nearest whole number, 1 mole. So the number of moles is 1 mole. So you'll write here 1 mole. This 100 ml convert into liters, it will be equal to 0.1 liters. So such a easy question here. This you can write as 1 by 10 liters. So just write it here, 1 by 10 liters. This will be equal to 10 will go above 10 moles per liter. This question should have been done in less than 1 minute. What happened? Rehab, we have not
Sir,
given. We have. Tell me.
we can't do that 100 milliliters into 0.1 liter.
We cannot do this.
100 milliliter into 0.1.
What are you saying? I didn't understand.
Oh, never mind. Never mind.
Yes, what happened to Rehab? Rehab, did you see your mistake now? Rehab, can you please turn on your mic? When you enter the class, जब हम बात कर रहे हैं कि क्लास जा रहे हो कि नहीं जा रहे हो, my last step went wrong, sir. तब तो सब mic on करके खूब ना कि no sir, after vaccine we will go, we want online class 50-50. Now when I'm asking questions, chemistry questions, all are mic off. No, Rehab, I will not see the chat, Rehab, if you have sent the chat. You have to turn the mic on. Tell me what happened. No, Rehab is not turning the mic on. Umar, what happened to you, Badavi? Where did you go wrong?
No, sir, I found my.
Okay, you found it. Yes, Rehab. अब बताइए, इतना देर से पूछो लेकिन she is not answering still. Okay, I saw your chat, but what went wrong? Tell me what went wrong. And Risham, did you get it now? See, I will go slow. You guys know that I can go slow as much slow as you want, but you have to speak now. Otherwise, how will I know? You didn't do the NB part. Okay. Now, will you remember to do the NB part, Rehab? Okay, very good. What happened to your mic, Rehab? It's working. Some technical issue. Okay. If I see you speaking now, sir, wait a second. Don't erase. Don't go to the next slide. Then see Reha. Okay. Let us do a new concentration term. Okay, guys. New concentration term, that is mole fraction. Mole fraction. Okay. What is mole fraction? Please write this term with me. Then we will explain it. Please write this with me. The mole fraction of any component is defined as the mole fraction of any component is defined as the mole of that component, the mole of that component as the ratio of mole of that component to the total number of moles in solution. Total number of moles in solution. This mole fraction is denoted by a letter which is known as chi. This is not x. This is what? This is chi. Okay. This is what? Pronounced as this is not chi. This is chi. Okay. This is chi. Pronounced as chi. Now, if I say the mole fraction of the component A, it will be equal to number of moles of that component. Which component here, Abhinav? Ratio of number of mole of that component. Which component? A, na?
Yes, sir.
Number of moles of A. Now, as I've said, that we will be dealing with solutions of binary solutions. I mean, only one solvent and only one solute.
Yes, sir.
Correct? So, total number of moles will be Na plus
Yes.
Nb. Na plus Nb. Okay. Is everyone clear with this?
Sir, repeat one.
Okay, you will tell me chi b will be equal to what, Umar?
By NB by
Nb by
NB plus
Nb plus keep your mic on, then only you will be able to speak.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
1 minute.
Okay, sir. NB plus NC.
NC?
Na.
Na. Very good. Okay.
Yes.
Now, all of you, please calculate what is chi A plus chi B. Okay. You have chi A here. Substitute the value of chi A here. You have chi B here. Substitute the value of chi B here and tell me the answer in the chat, please. Write this slide, and at the end you have to calculate this and tell me. Okay. First, write these things. Write these things, then tell me the answer for chi A plus chi B. Yes, Abhinav, very good, correct. Rishan, what did you not get? Can you please tell me? Chi is nothing. Chi is mole fraction. It is just pronounced as chi. Chi is mole fraction. Where it is used, it is a concentration term. Yeah, it is a concentration term. As we have now, we are just learning about concentration. Oh yeah. Okay, this must be Muhammad Umar. There will be a value, Muhammad Umar. There will be a value for that. You have to simplify that expression. See the denominators. The denominators are same now, so you can add the numerators also. Then you can simplify it. Muhammad Umar, he doesn't work even a bit. He just write whatever it is without even simplifying. The previous one also you wrote 0.1, sorry, 1 divided by 0.1. Simplify, okay, Muhammad? Simplify and tell the answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, is everyone done writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this will be NA upon NA plus NB plus NB, NA plus NB. Okay, Rishan, now you will tell me, are the denominators same or different? Are the denominators same or different, Rishan? Same. So I can write like this, and I can add the numerator as it is. Yes, Rishan, can I do this? So this will be equal to 1. You can cancel each the numerator and denominator, na Rishan? This will be equal to 1. Yeah, okay. Fine. Raise your hand if you have done this okay, done with this slide. Done with this slide. Raise your hand. Okay, Abhinav is done. Abdullah, are you following? You're getting this right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Please keep your hand raised. Thank you, Umar. We're waiting for Abdullah and Muhammad. Okay, Abdullah is done. Just waiting for Muhammad now. Muhammad, what are you writing? You gave the answer earlier. Muhammad, you're writing?
Done. Done.
Done. Okay, fine. Thank you. I'll write a question. An aqueous solution of an aqueous solution. Wait a second. Sorry. An aqueous solution contains 10% NaOH W by W. Okay, NaOH W by W. So, Muhammad, can you please tell me how will this be translated? W by W it is then 10 gram of NaOH, right?
10 by 100.
10, yeah, 10 by 100. So this will be 10 gram in 100 gram of solution, right?
Hmm. So
Okay, 10 gram of NaOH in 100 gram of solution.
is it always 100?
Yeah, it is just a convention that we have taken.
Okay.
Okay, W by W stands for mass by mass. Okay, Abdullah, mass by mass. You have to calculate. Abdullah, you have not done molarity and mass percentage and molality. Okay, then you and Muhammad will have a class, extra class. Yeah, I remember Muhammad. Yeah, I remember. Okay, calculate the mole fraction of each component. Calculate the mole fraction of each component. Okay. So see, if I give you the grams, then it will be fine. Right? Aqueous solutions mean water. Yeah, it is fine, Abdullah. An aqueous solution. So see, please write this statement. NaOH aqueous W by W. Okay, it is aqueous now. It is W by W 10%. It would mean 10 gram of NaOH in 100 gram of solution. Okay, now Abdullah, can you tell me what will be the other component if it is aqueous? Aqueous means what? The solution is made in what? You have idea or no idea? If it is aqueous, Abdullah, can you please speak?
Sir, I don't have a clue.
You have a okay. Keep your mic on, Abdullah.
Sir, can you repeat? The Azan is going on, sorry. Okay.
Okay. I was saying that aqueous. Do you know what aqueous means?
Yes, sir.
Water, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if one of the component is NaOH, what will be the other component?
Water.
Water. If NaOH is 10 gram, how much will be what? If NaOH is 10 gram in 100 grams, how much will be water?
90 grams.
Very good. So it means 10 gram of NaOH in 100 grams, and it means 90 gram of H2O.
Of H2.
So you have both the components, NaOH and water also. You have NaOH and water also. You can calculate the number of moles for both of them.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now again. Rishan, can you calculate the number of moles for both of them? And also, Rehab, can you calculate the number of moles for both of them? Rehab and Rishan. Others can start doing, okay? Others can start working on it. Okay, Rehab. Now, if you can calculate the number of moles, you can also calculate the mole fraction. No, Muhammad. How have you calculated that? What is the molar mass of NaOH, Muhammad? What is the molar mass of NaOH?
31. 31.
Chat in the chat, please. No. 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 Calculate and please calculate. Check your textbook, page number 240 or 232. If it is new book, it is 240. If it is old book, it is 232. You will get the molar masses of sodium, oxygen, and hydrogen. Please add them. No, Abdullah, not right. Rehab, also tell me the molar mass of NaOH now. No, Umar. Yes, Rehab, correct. Umar, you are for yes, Muhammad, correct. Abdullah, I guess you are forgetting the hydrogen. Yes, Abdullah, correct. So for NaOH, Reba has got the answer. Let me see. It is, wait a second, that will be. That is the number of moles, Reba.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is correct. Number of moles. So you have for NaOH. First, we will calculate for NaOH. Number of moles is equal to 10 grams divided by 40 grams per mole. This will be equal to 1 by 4 moles. Now for H2O, number of moles is equal to, sorry, I would just write number of moles like this. NaOH will be B and H2O is A because H2O is solvent. And this will be equal to 90 grams divided by 18 grams per mole. So this will be equal to 5 moles. Okay. Now you have to calculate the Chi-A. Chi-A will be Na upon Na plus Nb. You have Na, you have Nb. You just have to substitute it here. And similarly for Chi-B, you will have Nb divided by Na plus Nb. Okay. Abhinav, what is that? Chi-A or Chi-B?
Sir, I added both of them.
Sorry?
Sir, I added both. Chi-A
Chi-A
plus Chi-B.
Chi-A plus Chi-B?
Yes, sir.
What is Chi-A? Please tell me. You have to calculate the calculate the mole fraction of each component. Na? So you will get two answers.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I calculated both of them.
Always remember, Chi-A and Chi-B will always be equal to 1.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Muhammad, I not understand. Chi-A, you are saying it is 1 by 40. No. Listen, see here. You're not getting the right answer. Na. What is Na? Na is equal to 5 divided by, what is this? This is 0.25 plus 5, which is equal to, or rather I can write it like this now. 1 by 4 plus 5. So this will be equal to 5 divided by, this will be 5 as a 20, 21 by, this will be 4. This will be equal to 20 upon 21. Yeah. Chi-B, it is equal to Nb. Nb is equal to 1 by 4 divided by 21 by 4, right? This is 21 by 4. This will be equal to how much? This will be equal to 1 by 21, correct? Guys, you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Please write it down. Umar, it is not right. You're telling me that is not Chi-A and Chi-B. You're telling me about number of moles. Abhinav got the right answer. He just messed up with Chi-A and Chi-B. Abhinav, you remember, right? For A, it is always solvent.
Yes, sir. I forgot that. That is why I messed up.
No problem. If you're having something like this now, then you can just write it like chi of NaOH and chi of H2O in the subscript, okay, in the examinations.
Yes, sir.
Okay, is everyone done?
Wait, sir.
Okay. Done, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you guys have not learned about molality. Let me give you another question. Okay, I will be giving you similar question of like this only. Okay, similar question. Calculate an aqueous solution of contains, just say 49 percentage H2SO4 W by W. Calculate the molarity of the solution. Okay, please do it as I have done in this slide. Okay, you will write this statement first, then you will write whatever gram of H2SO4, then you will write whatever gram of H2O, then you will calculate the number of moles for A and number of moles for B. Then you see, always remember here, A will be H2O, B will be H2SO4. Okay.
So do we have to find the mole fraction or molarity?
Oh, sorry for that. Calculate the mole fraction of each component. Yeah. Do this, okay? I'm turning myself mute. I won't speak. You have yourself, okay? Please do it. You have no doubts now? It's the same question, right? Please, if you have doubt, please let me know now.
No, sir.
No, okay, fine. So you are on your own now. So in the question, it has been given 49 percentage W by W aqueous solution of H2SO4. Yeah. You keep on doing now. So I guess this first statement everyone would have made. I'm
Yes,
not
sir.
writing the answer. Okay, I'm very slow. 49 grams of H2SO4. Then we will have 51 gram of H2O. Now we have to find the number of moles. Here we will find the number of moles of, let us first do for H2SO4, that is NB, 49 grams. Okay, molar mass of H2SO4. Those who have calculated the molar mass of H2SO4, please send in the chat. Muhammad Umar, that is wrong. Yes, Muhammad, can you please unmute yourself? Yes, Reba, correct. Umar Badawi, it is right. Muhammad, can you, what is that? Number of moles? Okay, correct. Yeah, correct, Muhammad. Okay, what about others? Rishan, Rihab. Rishan, you are not able to calculate the number of moles. Abhinav has Kai. Abhinav, now you have to wait. I don't know the answer. Okay. So I will calculate, then only I will know. But
Okay,
let me
sir.
see. You have to wait now. Okay. Rishan and Rishan. Rishan, you are not able to calculate the number of moles. Please say now, then only we can do anything about it now. Why you guys start? Yes, Rishan. No, what I am saying, did you calculate the number of moles by now? Please say yes or no. No. Okay, fine. No problem. Do it. Rehab, where are you? Okay. Did you get the number of moles by now, Rehab? Please say yes or no. You got number of moles. What is the number of moles of H2SO4? Send in the chat, Rehab, please. Number of moles. That is the number of moles, Rehab. Okay, number of moles. Okay. No, that is not right. So fine. Okay, so no. Don't keep guessing, Rehab. It's fine. If you don't know, it's fine. We will do some practice. We will have some extra class. We will do some practice. No, Rishan, that is not right. Fine. Okay, you have some doubts, so we will practice for number of moles someday. Okay. Now, what does this mean? You may have to shift in some other batches. Will that be fine for Rehab? Yes, Rehab, it would be fine. Now that other batch will have some different timing also. Okay, fine, Rehab. Okay. So Rehab and Rishan, we will shift. Okay, I have to write this now. Also, okay, fine. Rishan, do you have mic issues? So we will take the class only if you have fixed the mic issue. Will that be fine, Rishan? Because it gets very difficult for me now to explain. Okay, yeah. And same for Rehab. Okay, you are getting it today. So you will get it soon, right? You will get it at least tomorrow? Okay, fine. Okay, what about Rehab? You also have mic issues? Okay. So what is it? What is this? Okay. You have net issues or mic issues? Net issues. So okay, you can turn your mic on, right, Rehab? So please, can you turn it on? Let me hear it. If it is too weak connection or if you get disconnected, then I won't ask you. But
Yes, sir.
it is fine. Rehab? Okay, your voice is clear. Okay, it is not lagging or something.
So sometimes it's like
It's fine. It is fine. Okay. 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 Fine. Now, okay. Did you get the answer, Muhammad? Now, all of you, those who have not calculated the molar mass, please see here. You have hydrogen. You have two hydrogens, in fact. Then you have one sulfur. Then you have four oxygens. So two hydrogen will mean 2. It would mean 2. For sulfur, it is 32. 4 oxygen will mean 64. If you add these, this will become 8. This is 98 grams per mole. We have calculated the molar mass of H2SO4 before also. It will be 98 grams per mole. This will be equal to 1 by 2 mole. Okay, this will be equal to 1 by 2 mole. Now for number of moles of A, which is equal to 51 grams divided by 18 grams per mole, the molar mass of water. So 51 by 18, I need to calculate this. 51 by 18 is equal to 2.8, or it is equal to 17 by 6 mole. Okay, 17 by 6 or 2.8. Now we have to calculate. Let me erase these parts. Okay, so we have to calculate now the chi A is equal to 17 by 6 divided by 1 by 2 plus 17 by 6. This will be equal to 17 by 6 divided by.
So how is it 17 by 6?
You can do this. This is just mathematics, nothing else. Did you figure it out?
Yes, 17 by 6 equates to 2.8.
Yeah, na? Okay.
Okay.
So also you can figure it out by here. 7. Okay, right? What is 17 threes? What is 17 threes? Tell now. What is 17 threes? So 6. If I write here, it will be 3 plus
51.
17 by 6. 51. Na? So see, if I divide both of these things by 3, I will get 17 by 6. Okay. Now, are you okay with this one? I multiplied 3 here, I multiplied 3 here. This 3 became 6, this 1 became 3. So this will be equal to 17. Okay, this 6 and 6 can get cancelled, right? So I will get 17 by 20. Okay. Now what I will do, I will use the trick here. What trick? We all know chi A plus chi B is equal to 1. So I have got chi A. Chi B will be 1 minus chi A. So chi B is equal to 1 minus 17 by 20. So this will be equal to 3 by 20. Yes. 3 by 20. Any doubt for 3 by 20?
No, sir.
No?
1 minute.
Please check this out. See, for 1, I can write 1 as what? 20 by 20, na? Chi b is equal to, for 1, I can write. Now it is easy for you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please copy. Let me know when you're done. Raise your hand when you're done. Okay. Raise your hands when you're done. Okay, there is one chat here. Who is this? You got the final answer 1. What is the final answer, Abdullah? These are the final answer. Abdullah, can you please speak? Total? No, there is no total. You don't have to calculate the total fraction. No, there's not question. The question is not saying calculate the total fraction for each component. Yeah, for each component. I'm not asking you to calculate the total. Total, it will always be 1. By the way, you got the other things right. Okay. You got the NB right, you got the NA right. So obviously you would have got the chi A and chi B. Yeah, you got the other thing right. Okay. Who has done, who has not done? Okay, Abhinav is done, Reba is done. Others are writing. Raise your hand if you're done. Okay, Abdullah, Rehab, Umar. Okay. Muhammad and Rishan are writing right now. Muhammad, you are still writing? Muhammad, still writing? Okay. Okay, Rishan is done. Muhammad, do you write in rough copy or what? And then you fear it. Okay, you are done. So you guys can now lower your hands now. Okay, you guys can lower your hands. You guys can lower your hands. Yeah, Muhammad, you can lower the thumbs up sign. You see, I will give you one simple question for calculating the number of moles. Okay, one simple question for calculating the number of moles. Please write this. Okay, calculate the number of moles in each of the following. A, 120 grams of NaOH. B, let us say 68 grams of NH3. C, 7.46 liters. This is not 7.46, 7.47 liters. Liters of O2 gas. Yeah. 4 questions. You have to calculate the number of moles. Yes, Reba, correct. Very good. Rishan, your mic is on. Can you speak now?
Yes, sir. I took the headphones of my mom.
Oh, great. That is great then.
And sir, previously I said 98 mole. You said it was wrong.
It is not 98 mole, na? See, it is half moles.
Sir, he was telling 49 grams and 98 mole.
Yeah.
40?
Yeah. You asked how many moles it was.
Yeah.
So I said 98. You said it was wrong.
Yeah, it is wrong. It is half moles, na?
Sir,
Sir,
before division.
previously, you just asked not the whole answer. You just asked only how many moles, not half mole full.
No, how many moles? See, that is molar mass. If I ask molar mass,
Sorry. You said to say the molar mass, so I said 98. You said it was wrong.
yeah, but you said 98 moles, na?
No, I said just 98 gram mole. Just you can go by the chat.
Yeah, I'm seeing the chart.
Okay, sir.
It is 98 mole. That is why I said. I mean, see, I can hear what you are
You
saying.
didn't write the mole per gram per mole.
Yeah, exactly. You didn't write the grams. Exactly.
Yeah,
You
I
wrote
couldn't write the gram
So
per
if you
mole.
don't write the grams, then see, moles, don't worry. If you don't write the grams, how will I understand that you are saying about the mass? Correct? If you just write the moles, then I will think that you are telling me about the moles, na?
Okay,
If you'd
sir,
have
sorry.
written just grams, then it would be fine. See, that I understand you said the right answer. You were saying the right thing. It is just that you were thinking the right thing, but you were saying the wrong thing. Right, Rishan?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
I got that you know the concept, but you also have to work on how you say those answers. Okay, Abdullah is answering. Okay, Reba A is right. Abdullah, yes, A is right. Very good. Reba, Rehab, can you please also tell me the question number? I wouldn't understand otherwise, na? Yeah, B is also correct, Reba. Very good. Rehab, can you please? Okay, one. No, that is not right. Okay, Rehab, can you please turn your mic on? Okay, somebody else answered. Yeah, Mohammed, it is right. Again, you guys are in a hurry. Reba, especially. Reba, is that the answer for the first one? You gave 3 answers.
No, I gave one answer, sir.
Yeah, no, you have given me 3 answers, not 3 chat messages.
No, just 2 chat messages, A and B, the answers for the 2 of them. Maybe the other ones are previous ones.
Rehab, sorry, Rehab. Sorry, Rehab. Not Reba, I'm really sorry, Reba.
Yes,
First
sir.
answer. Yeah, you sent me 3 chat messages. So which one should I consider? And for what question?
Last one for the first one.
Okay, so please see, the communication is also very important now. If you are answering the right thing, but you are not giving the right question number, then the teacher won't give you marks, even in the boards. Okay. So you cannot just write the answer. You have to write the question number, then the answer. Yes, Abhinav, you want to say something?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, that
Yes,
C
sir.
wala part I have doubt, sir.
C wala part you have a doubt? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes.
okay. For number of moles, what I said, if the question is asking about number of moles, you have to ask yourself what the questioner has given. Has he given you the mass? Has he given you the number of particles? Or has he given you the volume of the gas? So tell me for the C1, what is it? Is it mass, particles, or volume?
Volume.
Volume of gas. So what formula do we use if the volume of gas is given?
Given volume by 22.4.
Yeah, given volume by 22.4.
I
Yes,
forgot
Abhinav?
that formula, sir.
Okay, you have that one in one slide I gave na number of moles. Then I made some arrows and what you
Yes,
have to do.
sir. Yes, sir. I
So
have that, sir.
you can refer your notes as I am teaching. Okay, this is not a test. No question when I teach in the 2-hour lecture. It is not. It is never a test. Even if I will start having some PPTs in which there will be MCQs question, even then you can see your notebook. Okay, so please don't, you can use any resource that you have. Okay, don't worry about that. You can refer to your notes. Okay, Mohammed has answered. Okay, A, B, C. Correct. 3, yeah, okay. A, correct. B, correct. C, correct. D is correct. Yeah, very good, Mohammed. All right. Rehab, B. Very good, Rehab. That is correct. Okay, Umar Badawi, A, yeah, correct. Rishan, A. Rishan, what is the molar mass for NaOH? What is the molar mass for NaOH, Rishan? You can turn the mic on and say. Most of them has sent the answer.
39.
No, did you calculate this? 39?
Yeah.
Okay. What are the atoms in NaOH? Sodium, oxygen, and hydrogen. What is the molar mass for sodium?
22.
Okay. Do you remember this, or have you referred to some table or periodic table?
Yes, sir. This
You re-
appendix.
In appendix, it is 22.
Yes.
Okay.
Molar
Is
mass
it
is
20? No. It is not 22. Can you please tell the complete molar mass in the appendix? What is
22.9. Okay, 23.
You got this?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, it's fine. Don't be in a hurry. These things now, these things are just the kids of hurry. If you hurry, हड़बड़ में गड़बड़ है ना? हड़बड़ में गड़बड़ होता है. There is हाँ एक कबीर का दोहा है ना? There is one कबीर का दोहा. It goes something like this. काल करे सो आज करे सो अब, है ना? पल में परले होगी, बहुरी करेगा कब? Have you guys heard this?
Sir, it's Kal, not Kal.
It is Kal. Kabir used
Sir,
to be in past
Kal
time.
means yesterday. No, tomorrow.
It is not kal. Kal karega so आज करे so. I think it is kal because it is not the recent Hindi. It is the old Hindi.
Sir, kal means tomorrow. Or it
Kal.
may be yesterday.
I mean, for example, if I say thou right now, Kabir ke dohe. Okay, fine. It is kal kare so aaj kare. If I say kal kare so, have you heard this?
Yes, sir. Kal
Okay.
kare so aaj kare so ab. Like that.
No. It is kal kare so aaj. I mean, if you go to the exact Kabir ki dohe, it is kal, but it still means tomorrow. But there is also a phrase that you would have heard in the subcontinent. Jaldi ka kaam shaitan ka. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
if you mix both of these, then what it will be? काल करे सो आज करे सो अब, पर जल्दी का काम शैतान का, तो काम करूं मैं कब? काल करेगा तो आज करेगा सो अब, पर जल्दी का काम शैतान का, तो काम करूं मैं कब? That would be the anthem for those who are lazy, na? Procrastinators. They don't want to do anything. Okay, fine. We have got answers from Rishan, Rehab, Umar. Yeah, for C it is right, B it is right. Okay, Rishan, A is right. Very good. Okay, Rehab, please check your C answer. It is not right. Okay, for A, everyone is done. So let me write the answer for A. This will be 4. Sorry. Let me write it like this. 120 by 40 moles, which is equal to 3 moles. This will be 68 divided by 17 moles, which will be equal to 4 moles. 7.47 divided by 22.4 moles, This will come as 1 by 3, I guess. Approximately 1 by 3 moles. Okay. Not be exact. If I do 1 by 3, it will be 7.466666. This will be equal to 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 0.022 into 10 to the power 23 moles. So this will be 0.5 moles. Yeah, B is also correct, Rishan. Here, Rishan, in the C part.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the molar volume?
Of
Of any gas. Okay, have you done this class on molar volume?
no,
Please see
sir.
your note. You have not done molar volume? Please see your notes and tell me now.
Yes,
You have done?
yes.
Okay. Now, can you please read that statement?
1 second.
Hmm. See, please revise these chapters, okay? If you don't know what is in your notes, then it is very bad, now. Read these things daily as of now, because these are just the basics and foundation of the 11th and 12th, both these standards. Whatever we are learning in this first chapter, it will be present in the complete 11th standard and the complete 12th standard here and there. Yes, Rishan, can you please read that statement, molar volume?
Sir, I actually noted in rough notes, so I cannot find it currently.
Okay. Now, find it. I'm waiting. No worries. It would be after molar mass. फर्स्ट चैप्टर में जितना आराम से आप लोगों को पढ़ा रहे हैं ना, I mean, it will just reverse in the other chapters, because this is the basics and the foundation. So foundation, as slowly as you can go, it is fine, because these foundation, I cannot risk it to be weak and go fast. But if these foundations are okay, it is good, then the other thing can build up very fastly. So the other chapters, it will be pretty fast than this. I will not be waiting like this. आराम से बिल्कुल ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. Yes, Risha, did you get this? Molar volume? Yes, Rishan?
No, sir. I don't have
No?
that.
Okay, you have atomic weight, atomic mass.
Atomic mass क्या, sir?
After that, what is the topic? Average atomic mass.
Yes, sir.
After that, there is mole concept.
Yes, sir.
And after that,
Wait 1 minute, sir.
you need to get it. See, ऐसे आप रफ में अगर काम करते रहिएगा, then it would not be good, right? फिर आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा आगे. Yes, Rishan, what happened?
For
Got
now, I
this?
will get it from my book and note it.
Book? What book? NCERT.
Book, yeah.
NCERT does not have molar volume.
Oh,
Okay, it is. I mean, if I would just be in copying with NCERT, then what is the use? Okay. Also, the sequence of topic is also not like this in NCERT. Okay, please write this slide. Okay, if you don't have molar volume. Nishkar sir will tell you, Abdullah, about the extra classes. If you have been asked about number of moles, if you are asked about number of moles, which is denoted by small letter n, you will ask yourself 3 questions. The questioner would have given you mass. So if mass is given, or they would have give you, if number of particles is given. Number of particles means they could give number of atoms, number of ions, number of molecules also. Particles means the number of entities. If number of particles is given, or if you have been given volume of gas. So if mass is given, the number of moles will be equal to given mass divided by molar mass. If number of particles is given, the number of moles will be equal to given number of particles divided by the Avogadro's number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. If number of moles is asked and the volume of gas is given, then you will write given volume divided by the molar volume, which is equal to 22.4 liters present in each mole. So it is like this, and 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 entities are present per mole, hence it is mole inverse like this. Okay, so please Rishan, write this slide now, then we can move on to the next topic. Please write this in your fair notebook. Okay,
Sir, when will you finish this chapter?
is this Umar?
Not done.
Yes, me.
Okay, I guess it would take another class because of the mix-up now here. It would take another class. Now we are going to the last topic, which is the stoichiometry. Okay.
Sir, after the next chapter,
Yeah, obviously.
Okay.
Or you want revision or what?
No, sir.
No revision now. Okay, fine. So right, stoichiometric. Now stoichiometric calculation. Okay, stoichiometric calculation. What is stoichiometric calculation? Please write this definition with me, then we can start it. Okay, so please write this: the amount of reactant and product in a chemical reaction is called its stoichiometry. Stoichiometry. Okay, so we will be dealing with the amount of reactant and the product. Okay, now please stop writing and tell me what will happen if I have carbon and I add oxygen to it. What will be the product? Any guesses?
CO2.
Very good, CO2. Okay, it is CO2. Now what does this mean? Okay, this is the chemical reaction. It is in the language of chemistry. If you want to translate this in terms of, I mean, how will you say this? Carbon plus oxygen gives CO2, but in terms of amount, what do you think? Is it 1 gram of carbon reacting with 1 gram of oxygen? We have to give 1 gram of carbon dioxide. Is it like this?
1 mole of
That 2
carbon.
gram. It will be.
2 gram?
1 mole
Yeah.
of carbon plus
Yes.
2 mole of oxygen.
Okay, Rishan, what are you saying? 2 gram. How 2 gram?
1 gram plus 1 gram, 2 gram. 1 gram of carbon and 1 gram of oxygen.
1 gram of carbon and 1 gram of oxygen. No, this is the thing. It is not like this, okay? It is not in terms of mass, okay? It is not in terms of mass. So the translation for this chemical reaction will be 1 molecule or 1 atom of carbon reacts with 1 molecule of oxygen to give 1 molecule of CO2, okay? So you will either say it like this, 1 molecule of carbon. This seems more logical, na? एक carbon का molecule, 1 carbon molecule, it reacted with 1 molecule of oxygen and we got 1 molecule of CO2. 1 molecule of carbon reacts with 1 molecule of oxygen gas to give 1 molecule of carbon dioxide. Okay. Now, if we are going to do this type of reaction, then obviously we won't be taking 1 molecule of carbon from the box of carbon in which carbon is present, and we won't be taking 1 molecule of oxygen gas. It is impossible to take 1 molecule of any element, okay, if it is so small such as carbon and oxygen. So what do we use? We use 1 mole, because mole is just a number, right? Mole is just a number. If you have 1 molecule of carbon which is reacting with 1 molecule of oxygen, we will write like this: 1 mole of carbon reacts with 1 mole of oxygen to give 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Okay, 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Now, after we have converted this in terms of moles, we can now convert this in terms of Muhammad, what are you saying? 2 mole of? No. It is oxygen gas, na? If I am saying 1 mole of oxygen, this is gas, oxygen gas. Yeah, oxygen gas. Oxygen gas is O2. I'm not saying oxygen atom. Yeah. 1 mole of carbon reacts with 1 mole of oxygen gas to give 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Now, how will we convert this 1 mole of carbon in terms of mass? What will be the mass of 1 mole of carbon? What will be the mass of 1 mole of carbon?
12.
Well,
Very good. So 12 gram of carbon reacts with, okay, what 1 mole of oxygen gas, 1 mole of O2. What will be the mass of 1 mole of O2?
16.
32.
32, na?
32.
Everyone agree?
32.
Yeah. Yeah. Reacts with 32 gram of O2 gas to give. Yes. Now for CO2, what will be there? Wait a second. Let me just lift it a bit up. Yeah. To give 1 mole of carbon dioxide, what will be the mass?
44.
Very good. To give
44.
4 gram of
CO.
carbon dioxide. Yeah, very good. Correct, Rishan. Now please copy this thing. Okay. Now we will Now we will start doing simple exercises in stoichiometry. I will give you reactions. Okay. And then I will ask you the mass of a particular, the mass of the product or the mass of the reactant. Okay. So see this, the first term and the second line, first statement and the second statement, these are very much visible if you just see the stoichiometric coefficients here. The coefficient here is 1, the coefficient here is 1, the coefficient here is 1. So 1 molecule, 1 molecule, 1 molecule, or 1 mole, 1 mole, 1 mole. Now, but when you have to convert into grams, you have to consider the molar masses of the reactants and the products. Correct? Yes, guys? If you have to convert this into mass? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So can you
So
repeat?
what I will do, I will give you different reactions. Sorry, Abhinav.
Can you repeat that part? I did not understand it.
Okay. For the first statement and the second statement, you can directly tell me the number of moles of carbon and the number of moles of oxygen. If you look at the stoichiometry, coefficient here is 1, Abhinav, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if one coefficient is 1, that means one molecule of carbon reacts with one molecule of O2 to give one molecule of CO2. Now, similarly, I can say that 1 mole of carbon reacts with 1 mole of oxygen gas to give 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But if we have to convert this chemical reaction in terms of masses as we have written here, 12 gram, then I need the molar masses to convert, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is what I am saying. So what I will do in the next slide, I will give you a few questions in which there will be reactions. You have to tell me the masses of different reactants and the products that will be required for the reaction. Okay?
Okay.
अब जब देंगे तब पता चल जाएगा क्या पूछ रहे हैं. अभी छोड़ दो, अभी लिख लो इतना. Complete this slide, then I will give you the question, then you will understand.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay, Rishan is done, Umar is done. Raise your hand ना, raise your hand. हम भूल जाते हैं भाई. I don't have a very good memory. Okay, just waiting for Muhammad now. Everyone is done.
So I'm done.
Okay, you are done. Okay. Raise your hand, Muhammad. Muhammad claps and Muhammad thumbs up. Muhammad, raise your hand. Very good. Thank you very much. No, I asked to raise the hand now because I can lower your hands, but I cannot remove those emojis that you give thumbs up and clapping signs. Okay. Yeah, Rishan, I saw that you have done. Okay. Now I'm giving you a reaction. Number 1. N2 plus H2. Oops. Gives NH3. Okay, can you guys balance this reaction? Umar, Rihab, Rishan, Abdullah, Abhinav. Can you
Yes,
guys
sir.
Yes,
balance
sir.
this?
So two
Okay, so
H2
first you have to balance it, okay? First you have to balance it and tell me the answer after balancing.
Sir, done.
Done balancing? Okay. Abhinav, done balancing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Umar is also done. Rihab, Rishan, Muhammad.
done that.
Done, Muhammad. Okay. Rihab is also done. Okay. So please check your answers here. Okay. Rishan, are you done balancing? Okay, Rishan is also done. So please check that here will be 2 and here it will be 3.
3.
Correct? So I can say that if in terms of molecules, okay, wait a second. I need to lift these things a bit here. Okay, if in terms of molecules, I am writing. Then 1 molecule of N2, 3 molecules of H2 will give 2 molecules of NH3. In terms of moles, I will say 1 mole of N2 plus 3 moles of H2 will give me 2 moles of NH3. But in terms of mass, you have to tell me for N2, H2 and NH3. This is A, this is B, this is C. Chat in the chat, please. A, B, C. Let me write the previous one. We had carbon plus oxygen gives CO2. Here also for molecules, we had 1, 1 and 1. For moles, we had 1, 1 and 1. But for mass, we had 12 grams. We had 32 grams. Here we had 44 grams. Okay, Rishan, check the second answer and tell me now, is your answer correct that you have given me for the first question? Rishan? You got it, Rishan? How to do it? Abhinav and Muhammad, yeah. I guess those answers are right. Slight doubt. Okay, fine. In balancing? Okay, no problem. Yes, Reba, correct. A is right. Okay, I've got the answer from Reba, Abhinav, and Muhammad. Rishan has given me the answer. Rishan but has some doubt. Okay, waiting for Abdullah also. Abdullah has not given me any answer. Abdullah, are you doing it or are you stuck or something? Yes, Reba, B is right. Okay, Rehab is also not giving me any answer. Rehab, what happened? Abdullah, can you please tell me what happened? Are you doing? Are you not doing? No, A is not right. Rehab. Please.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, Abdullah, tell me.
Sir, my mom had called me right now. I had gone to help her, but I'm back now.
Can you do this problem, Abdullah?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I was there when you were explaining stoichiometric calculation, but I went when you gave the question.
Okay. So you have to do the first question. Second question is already done. Riha, please see N2. There are 2 nitrogens. You're going in the right direction, Riha, but I guess some mistakes in calculation. Riva, what happened? Why you are not giving me the answer for NS3? Yes, correct.
I was confused, sir.
Why are you confused? It is right only. Okay. Okay, if you find it better, then let me write it like this: 1 mole, 3 mole, and 2 mole. Umar is giving me the answer A. No, Umar, not right. Not right. Okay. Rishan, can you speak now? Yes, Rishan, are you there? Yes, Rehab, very good. Correct now. A is right, Rehab. Yes, Umar, B is right. Your A is not right. Okay, khair. Okay, Rishan, Rehab, whoever are doing, please stop doing. Okay, when I say please stop doing anything. Okay. Now, Rishan, see 1 mole. Na? What will be the mass of 1 mole of N2? Rishan, what will be the mass of 1 mole of N2? What is the mass for nitrogen, Rishan? इतना हड़बड़ में आप लोग क्यों रहते हो? Why you have to answer in such a hurry? And you answer it wrong. If it was correct, then it is not a matter. Okay, Rishan, what is the molar mass of nitrogen, Rishan? Okay. And if you have 2 nitrogens, then the molar mass will be? Very good. What will be the molar mass for hydrogen, 3 moles of hydrogen, 3 moles of H2, 3 moles of H2. बाप रे कितना हड़बड़ी है रेशान को भाई. H2, Rishan. H2 has the molar mass 2 grams, na? And there are 3 moles of H2. This will be 6 grams. Yes or no, Rishan? Okay. What about NH3? What is the molar mass of NH3? For 2 moles or for 1 mole? For 2 moles or 1 mole? 1 mole it is 34. Yes, Rishan, for 1 mole it is 34. Rishan, get your mic. It is very difficult if you don't write even correctly. Okay, so those who have got the right answer, please copy it down. Okay. Now I will explain you one more thing. Okay. Abhinav, tell me, N2 is gas, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Abhinav. What about H2?
Sir, H2 is also gas.
What about NH3?
NH3.
Ammonia.
Gas.
Yeah, it is also a gas. Okay. So all these reactants and this product is also a gas. Now, can I write, if it is gas, I can write the volumes, right?
Yes, sir.
So if I have 1 mole of N2, what will be the volume for 1 mole of N2?
14.
Volume.
Volume.
You have molar volume written now in your notes. Please read that statement. Molar volume. Read that statement for everyone. Molar volume.
22.4.
Yes, Abhinav, can you read that?
Yes, sir. I'm looking for it, sir.
You're looking for it. You have also lost it. Do you also write in rough
No,
notebook
no,
or
sir.
what?
No, sir. It is in the formal one only, sir.
It will be after molar mass.
Mole as volume.
Yeah.
Molar volume. The volume occupied by 1 mole of any gas at STP is called molar volume and is equal to 22.4 liter.
Okay, so tell me, if I have 1 mole of nitrogen gas, what will be its volume?
22.4 liter.
Okay, does everyone agree? Does everyone agree with this? Okay, Muhammad, I heard your answer, but I was waiting for Abhinav to read out the definition. That is why I didn't say anything. Okay, your answer was right.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, everyone agrees with this, right? 22.4 Reba. Yeah. Now, Reba, can you tell me what will be the volume of 3 moles of hydrogen gas? If I have 3 moles of hydrogen gas, if I have 1 mole of,
3 into 22.4.
yeah, very good. 3 into,
67 point.
yeah, 22.4. Okay, now, Muhammad, you tell me for NS3, how much volume will be there?
2 into 22.4.
Arey wow, now you are saying 2 into 22. I thought you will say the exact answer. Okay, but all of these will be at STP. Okay, all of these will be at STP, right? So this is another information that you can tell from this chemical reactions, okay? In terms of molecules, in terms of moles, in terms of mass, and also in terms of volume. Got this?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
we will do one last question. Okay, one last reaction. You have to tell me the masses and volume for that, okay? Masses and volume for
Yes,
that.
sir.
So you have also to balance here H2 plus O2 will give me what? H2O, right? You have to balance this. Molecules. Most see H2 will be gas, O2 will be gas, but H2O is at standard temperature and pressure. It is liquid. It is not a gas. Okay. So you will tell me the volume for H2 and O2 at least. You will tell me the masses for all of them, but volume for. Okay. Is everyone done balancing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Abdullah, Muhammad, Rihab, Umar, Rishan.
Yes, done.
Okay. What about Rishan? Are you done balancing? Okay. So can you tell me the coefficient for H2? What comes?
Two.
What is the number here?
Two.
Ah,
Two.
Rishan.
Sorry.
Rishan, can you tell me? Okay, for oxygen, Rishan. Nothing. You are saying, wait a second, don't please nobody answer. You are saying two hydrogens. What for oxygen? Nothing. For H2O? For H2O, H2O. O2, that means one will come here, no? For H2O, good. So Rishan, tell me for molecules I can write now two, one for oxygen and two for H2O. For moles I will write 2 moles for hydrogen is needed, 1 mole of oxygen is needed, and 2 moles of H2O is needed. Yes, Rishan? Now you have to calculate the mass and tell me. Yes, Rehab, correct. Yes, mass is Abhinav has sent. Correct for O2, correct for H2O, correct volume, correct O2, correct. Two, yeah, yes, Rehab, very good. Yes, Muhammad, correct. Mass is correct. Volume correct. Yeah, very good. Yes, Rishan, very good. Thank you so much. Correct. Now just two remaining, O2 and H2O. Yes, very good, Rishan. Correct for O2. For H2O. It is a good practice if you no. Rishan, for H2O, first of all, calculate the molar mass for H2O na. Typing mistake, no. The message that you have sent before typing message, that is also not correct for H2O. Yes, correct. Reba, very good. Yes, very good. Reba, correct. Yes, very good, correct. Rishan, what is the molar mass for H2O? Calculate na molar mass for H2O. Molar mass for H2O, only H2O, not 2 moles of H2O. Please listen carefully now what I am saying. 1 mole of H2O, what is the molar mass? So if you have, yeah, so if you have 2 moles of H2O, then it will be how much? If you have 2 moles of it, 1 mole is 18 grams. So 2 moles will be? Yes, Rishan, I am asking you something. Yes, very good. Now those who have not written for volume, yes, Reba, correct. This will be 2 into 22.4 because there is 2 moles. 2 moles means 1 mole has 22.4 liters, 2 moles will have 2 into 22.4, and for oxygen it will be just 22.4 liters. For H2O, it is since liquid, so we will not write volume. Please don't write volume here, okay? It is liquid, it is not a gas. But and these both will be at STP.
Sir,
Yes,
then
Abhinav.
do we always have to write STP?
No, see, you don't have to write anything like this. ऐसे आपके एग्जाम में कोई सवाल नहीं आएगा. This is just a practice that I am making, that you see whenever you see this chemical reaction, na, so you have these things in your mind.
Okay, sir.
These things should come in your mind, okay?
Okay,
For
sir.
example, if I say H2O, what comes in your mind? You should have somewhere in your mind 18 gram per
18
mole also,
gram.
right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, but I am not saying 18 grams per mole, but even if I write H2O, then that is coming back of your head. Similarly, what should happen? When I write this chemical reaction, these things should come in your mind, at least for this chapter, okay?
Okay, sir.
Chalo, thank you very much, all of you. Okay, so extra classes is for Abdullah, correct? Wait a second, right? Okay, so others can leave now. Okay, thank you, Abdul. Okay, thank you, Abhinav.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Umar. Umar, don't want. Do you want extra classes, Umar?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Rehab. You want extra classes, no? No.
Sir, which Umar?
No,
You are Umar.
Sir, I am Umar
Muhammad
Badawi.
is not Badawi. I'm asking. No, I was asking Umar Badawi. Muhammad Umar to needs extra classes. That I know. I was asking you. Okay. अभी रिशान चला गया. बताओ. उसको
Okay,
चाहिए
sir.
था एक्स्ट्रा क्लास. रिशान चला गया. बताइए.
Sir, fast है.
ओके. हाँ, बहुत फास्ट है भाई, बहुत फास्ट है. अच्छा, मोहम्मद, कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी व्हिच टॉपिक्स?
Okay, sir. Allah.
अल्लाह हाफिज़, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, गुड बाय, टेक केयर. यस उमर, मोहम्मद. रिहाब भी चली गई, हद है भाई. एक्स्ट्रा क्लास लेना था. मोहम्मद, अब तुम बता दो प्लीज. You can turn your mic on. What
Yeah,
happened?
sorry, I thought my mic's on.
Yeah, tell.
Have you took limiting reagent?
No, limiting reagent will come after this.
Okay, sure. So then mass percentage. Mass
Okay, so
percentage.
the solutions, you have not learned solutions, right?
No, nothing.
Nothing about solution. Then we have molarity
Molarity,
and
mass percent,
mass percent.
and mole
Wait a
fraction.
second. Tell me from these topics now. I have written the topics somewhere here. Yeah, tell me from these topics now. You are done till molar volume, right? So these are remaining.
Yeah, solution, molarity,
Solutions,
molar. Yes. Yeah.
mass percent, and then molarity. And for mole fraction, you started doing from here today. Mole fractions, okay, fine. Now अब बताइए रिहाब and रीशान इन दोनों को बुलाना पड़ेगा फिर से ना. Okay, fine. I guess you can leave, Umar. Thank you very much. Nishkars, you are in contact with Nishkars Umar, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so he will let you know regarding those extra classes. Okay,
Okay. That. Okay.
timing.
Extra
See, for
classes.
timing, अभी आपको थोड़ा compromise करना पड़ेगा for timings. Okay.
Which timing?
I mean, if it is even between 6 to 10, you should be okay.
Between 6 to 10. Okay, no problem.
Anna, it is your self-study time. Okay, we will try that.
Yeah.
We don't put it between those times in your other classes time. Okay.
No,
But
it's okay. It's okay. If it's between 6 and 10, it's okay. No problem.
okay. And we will try to keep it like that. Okay. Chalo. Thank you. Okay.
For
Take
how long?
care.
I mean, what is the duration of extra classes?
I guess this will go in 1 hour.
1 hour? Okay, fine.
1 hour it will be completed.
Okay, fine. Yeah.